Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL WP23, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the apps. So basically we do not have to scroll because they are on the 3rd or 4th position from the top. So after entering, scroll down and tap on Special App Access, and here we have to localize the option Install Unknown Apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed, just like in my case, to install some content. And of course we can change it just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is now allowed to install some content. It of course works the same with all other apps. However, be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want to, so remove previously granted permissions, just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.